Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to create a database in the XAMPP web server application in your localhost directory. So first is you want to make sure that your XAMPP is running and your Apache is also running. It should show green status, and MySQL is also running. After that, you can go to your browser and access the localhost address. So http://localhost, and you will be redirected to localhost/dashboard. Click the PHP My Admin menu, and from there you can create your first database. To create your first database, you must click this database menu and type your database name, for example 104, and click create button. So we are done creating our first database in the PHP MyAdmin using the localhost /PHP MyAdmin /server_databases.php. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe on this video, and please like and share for more videos to come. Thank you.